today we are going to do some stretches to help you with upper back and neck pain. You will need a towel for a prop, possibly a big pillow, or if you have them, you can use blocks or something that can elevate your hands just slightly. To begin, we're going to take the tops of our palms, place them on top of our thighs. Inhale, lift your chest towards the ceiling, squeeze your shoulder blades together, lift your chin. Exhale, tuck your chin, round your back. Inhale, lift. Exhale, round. Breathing into that space between your shoulder blades. A couple more times. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Coming back to center. Take your left arm, bring it out in front of you, making a 90-degree angle. Right arm's gonna go extend out, wrap it around underneath your left arm and all the way around. If you can, take your palms together. If you cannot do that, that's fine. Just wrap it as much as you can. Inhale, lift your arms up to the ceiling as far as you can. If this is too painful, just go ahead and take your palms and your forearms together and inhale, lift them up as high as you can get them. Exhale, unwind or release. You can shake it out if you need to. Taking your right arm, 90-degree angle in front of your face, left arm underneath and wrapped around, or take that modified version. Inhale, lift your palms up to the ceiling. Make sure your sit bones are staying grounded, lengthening out of the crown of your head. And exhale, go ahead and unwind, release, shake it out. Taking your hands, you're gonna interlace them behind your back, pushing your knuckles towards the ground. Tuck your chin to your chest. Taking your knuckles over to your right hip, let your right elbow open up to the side, and then take your right ear to your right shoulder. It's okay to move around slightly to find that space that needs a little bit more attention. And then drop your gaze down to your right hip. Knuckles back behind you, tuck your chin to your chest. Switching to the opposite side, take your hands to your left hip, left elbow opens up to the side, left ear to your left shoulder. Moving around to find that spot. And then dropping your gaze down to your left hip. Dropping your knuckles back behind you, tuck your chin to your chest. And go ahead and release that. We're gonna come to our hands and our knees. Tabletop position, taking your hands a little bit closer together, knees underneath your hips. Inhale, open your right arm up to the ceiling. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale, left arm. Exhale, down. Inhale, right. Exhale, down. Inhale, left. And exhale, down. Inhale your right arm up. And on your exhale, you're gonna bring it underneath your chest, taking your right shoulder, right ear, down to the mat. Your left hand can either go up to the top in front of you. You can wrap it around your back, opening your chest a little bit more, or you can just leave it right there on the mat, whichever feels good to you. Inhale, pushing back up. Go ahead and move, wiggle, however you need to. And then take your hands a little bit closer together. Inhale your left arm up to the ceiling. On your exhale, you can bring it down underneath, threading it under, taking your left shoulder, left ear to the mat. Right arm in whatever position feels best to you. pressing your palm back into the mat. Go ahead and push yourself up, roll or wiggle however you need to. If you have those blocks or something to elevate your hands, go ahead and place those at the top corners of a yoga mat if you have them, or just in the corner right in front of you, leaving about a foot in between the blocks. You're gonna take your knees wide, your toes to touch, hands on top of your blocks, and bring your chest and forehead down to the mat. Inhale, coming back up. Removing those blocks off of the mat. Grabbing your towel. You're going to fold it in half and then roll that short end. So it should look like this, just one long roll. Place that across your mat. Coming to your bottoms. We're gonna come down to our backs. Just be careful if you had your baby recently to be careful with your tummy. And you're gonna lay on top of this towel. It's gonna go right where your bra strap would go or your nipple line. Go ahead and lay down right on top of that blanket, that towel, taking your arms, bending at your elbows, and then flipping your palms up into cactus or goalpost arms. Let your body just relax. Go ahead and flip your palms down, roll over to one side, and sit up.